Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about number 4 Tray Slide1, one of two centers for Traulsen part #340-04842-00. The number 4 Tray Slide1, one of two centers for Traulsen part #340-04842-00 is a sliding tray designed to fit Traulsen refrigerators and freezers. This tray slide is made of stainless steel and features a center rail that is 1.5 inches wide. It has two adjustable mounting brackets that allow it to be mounted in the center of the refrigerator or freezer, providing easy access to items stored on the tray. The tray slide also features a smooth, easy glide action that makes it easy to move items in and out of the refrigerator or freezer. This product is designed for you. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Tray Slide1 half centers for Traulsen part #340-04842-00 are designed to replace worn or damaged tray slides in Traulsen refrigerators and freezers. They help to ensure that the trays are properly aligned and can slide in and out of the refrigerator or freezer smoothly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the existing tray slide from the refrigerator. 2. Unscrew the screws that hold the tray slide in place and remove it from the refrigerator. 3. Place the new tray slide into position and secure it with the screws that were removed earlier. 4. Make sure that the tray slide is securely fastened to the refrigerator before proceeding. 5. Adjust the height of the tray slide so that it is level with the other shelves in your refrigerator. 6. Test out your new tray slide by sliding a few trays in and out of it to make sure everything high. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.